I'm on the road with my father. We just went on the road a while ago to buy some lunch. I'm reaching to show you guys. Right now I'm stuck at the bank. Just now. And also I'm seeing the comments Monday, Wednesday and Saturday or Friday to post as a schedule, but yeah, so basically I'm really coming to tell you guys good morning and hope everybody's alright. Remember, positive mindset was saying no negativity. If somebody in your surrounding negative, always tell them in the right way to be positive because of positivity. What's that? So yeah, I have the food, I buy the food already also. I have to just have it now, because I can't wait. I don't know. Or when I reach home, either. If I start or if I not start on the slag of seed, I bought, you know, I'm showing you, I'm telling you what I'm buying. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip, I will say. Yeah. I can't wait. So, I have my food right now and I can't even come back. So, I'm going to show you. I bought this you guys sweet and sour chicken. Yeah, the veggies are fried rice. So, I'm going to have it before I come out of the bank. So, yeah. Look, I ate a dog food at the shop here. So, I'll come back. Alright? Come on, say you want your biscuit then. So, I'm going to buy it for you. Alright? Alright? Nothing more made me. Well, you must soon come. You guys, I reach like a good 15 minutes now. And I had the rest of my food. Never finish it though because that's a lot. That's a lot. I can't finish that. So later on, I have the rest. I'm gonna just pick around it until it's done. Come on, know that someone wanna do that. So right now, I go to the wholesale. As you guys see when I was talking to Skippy, not too long. I ate him biscuit for him. It's puppy chow because I want biscuits. And then I don't know, I'm gonna go back home, just lay down, watch some videos. Oh, also you guys, I would like for you to comment some video ideas what you would like for me to do. If you like me to talk about something, just sit down and talk to y'all. Just give me a topic and I tell y'all or talk to y'all what I think about it or whatever. Basically, yeah. The sun blazing hot, as you can see. Damn, man. I feel like every time I walk, I feel always itch up in one cool shade. So when I reach at the wholesale, I'll get back to y'all. Come. More in about melon. More come down this way. Come. I'll mix one up this one. So yeah. As you guys see, I'm in my bed. I'm gonna hold a 5. Just really I'll come on this with like tell you guys I'm gonna sleep. And my wake up back. Might go overlook it this time because in yesterday's vlog he wasn't home. So when I sleep and wake up maybe in the day, I don't know what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna play some game or just chat or something, but yeah. Or the food that make me sleepy. I don't know. I'm going to sleep. So I'll talk to you guys when I wake up back. Alright? Yeah. Guys, I'm up. Now I'm gonna check my bedroom. Let's hope him there. Cause them man they don't normally tell me I don't. Bed is nice. So I'm almost reaching place too. I may really live too far from me. So I'm just really buzzing for making a know say work. So isn't it? So yeah. Look here. What you doing? Hi. Hi, you guys. Me, I just started. Yes, over here, Luke here play football. Luke in the room dark, so you can't see him. So Luke here at the people then.
Hello, people.
Yeah. But you again, man?
Sure.
Seriously, though. That's
Sure.
so done?
Yeah.
You guys, Luke is set. You want to show no, or you bad in a FIFA 2018, so I'm gonna watch us.
I never said that.
So what you just say?
I just said I'm going to play FIFA.
So we're gonna just show you a couple clips. I am a play FIFA. So let's begin.
Here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture.
So which side are you looking?
Sheffield Wednesday.
Sheffield Wednesday.
Yeah, but
Wednesday?
Yeah.
And which team you have played against?
Wolves.
Have you played them team there before?
Yes, they're football teams. And,
So officially, which side are your side though?
Chelsea.
Chelsea are your side?
Chelsea.
So about Manchester United.
Fuck man.
What the other one then? Barcelona if I said it wrong.
Barca can jump in a ditch.
So you guys come here, which side you guys what I you guys like, which side are your side? I'm gonna know in the comment box which side bigger than which side. But me enough people always talk about Chelsea and Man U always. So me think say Man U a big side, so you have to say Chelsea a big
The
side.
biggest side, I joke. Man U have the most trophies.
Most trophies?
Yeah.
So Chelsea have trophy too.
Chelsea don't have as much trophies as Man U, but Man U have turned history club, you know, you see me, so soon turn to Liverpool.
Yeah, Liverpool. Me hear people talk about Chelsea, Man U and Liverpool. So you need to score for the vlog.
Of course, that's a part of the plan, my nigga.
Okay. Luke is in the blue.
The only blue. There's only blue in the world. She said, oh, yo, Earth is blue, you know. It's just a science that Chelsea's the best team ever.
Yeah. There's enough people are cussing in the comment now and say, boy, Chelsea on my side, rate it.
That nah do nothing to me. Watch on bug now.
Alright, let's see. Oh.
Bug.
You really can get the ball, brother?
Yeah, I mean, he's taking the ball, so I just send it.
See if I'm going to score for the vlog, I'm going to see. Oh. Are you score?
Bust a dance.
Oh.
Hey.
Yeah, go on, so. Man, love jump on me in the football game.
Why, dog? That tippy. That's what he said.
So you guys, I think that's it now. I don't think we don't want to see no more clips. If you don't want to see me and Luke here challenge each other in our next video, let me know in the comment box. I can't play football now. Obviously, I'm going to lose. So, yeah, Luke, me I go over here now, you know. So, little bit later. Yes, you guys, this is where I want to end today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'm really sorry the vlog is short, seeing that you guys love longer vlogs. I'm trying my best to put out longer vlogs for you guys, so I want to just see my little yeah. But before, as you guys know, before you guys go, I do have to give my post notification shout out to the following persons: Christina B, Shanice, Kim Warlock, and Khadija Townsend. Yes, you guys want to big up on yourself, and so if you would like a post notification shout out and you don't know what to do, obviously you have to be subscribed to Peter Gay Life, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and just comment and tell me what you think about my video. Leave your feedback. I always try my best to respond to all you guys. I really do. And what I would like for you to do now is you guys can screenshot me your favorite part of the vlog, post on my socials. I retweet all them something there. I retweet it, I share it, I screenshot and put it up on my status and them something there. So all my socials are below in the description box, and you would also see my social after this clip. So you guys can add up, follow me and them something there. If you are new to this channel, before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications anytime I post a video. Okay, and thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I really appreciate it. So like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.